Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys some of the things I've learned from this experience for getting your cartilage pierced. Some of the things, sharing with you guys some of the things I wish I had known, but it's nothing major, nothing drastic, nothing really scary. But anyway, yeah. So one of the first things, this misconception that it's really painful, cartilage really hurts. In my opinion, it really didn't hurt. It really didn't hurt. Like, I was reading, I was searching up online, and people were like, oh, from a scale from 1 to 10, it hurts like 7, 7.5. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I went there so anxious. I was so anxious, scared, and like the moment the what's the thing, the needle passed, I was like, oh my gosh, really? That's it? It was like from a scale of 1 to 10, it was like 2.5, 3. It really wasn't that painful. It was just painful like hours after. I just took a painkiller and that was it. But yeah, so one of the things I wish I'd known was the amount of cleaning, disinfecting I would have to do to my ear. You have to disinfect your ear like every day, twice to 3 times a day. For me in the beginning, I really didn't understand how critical that is, but you have to really clean your ears because it's really susceptible to like infections. But at the same time, it's really tiring. Sometimes you just don't feel like cleaning your ear, especially in the beginning, because your ear, your cartilage, whatever, is so sensitive. Oh my god, it's so painful. And if you don't have anybody to clean it for you, you're really gonna have a hard time. Because in the beginning, okay, it's totally fine when it comes to cleaning it in front, but at the back, I don't have eyes in my back. Like, I really can't see what I'm doing. I tried to grab a mirror, but it didn't work. But like, yeah, but just so you have to have somebody that could help you in the first few days. But after like the first week, I was able to like clean it by myself because it became less sensitive. Another thing, make sure whenever you're cleaning, disinfecting your ears, your hands are clean, because you don't want to like clean your hands with dirty hands and you don't want to contaminate the area. So yeah. Another thing I wish I had known is that it's been 4 weeks. Oh well, it's gonna be 4 weeks on Friday. Today's Wednesday. On Friday, yeah, it's gonna be 4 weeks since I haven't been able to sleep on my right side, because you're not supposed to be sleeping on your ears. That's why some people sleep on their ears and they realize that their piercings, the things aren't healing. Is because of that. You're not supposed to be putting pressure on your new piercings, whatever. But yeah, so your piercings. Yeah. But through research, I have discovered that this traveling pillow, whatever, could help you out. You could put it like this, and it can help when sleeping. But I don't really use it because honestly, it's not the same. But yeah, if you do want to sleep, you can try this out. My advice to you, if you want to get it. Just don't get it done for the wrong reasons. Get it done because you want to get it done, and make sure it's you're old enough to get it done, because you need to be at least 18 or have at least the permission of your parents to get your cartilage or whatever piercing you want to get done. And yes, pretty much that's it. That like I wish I had known. And I mean, people are different, and one thing I did. Okay, so I've been reading a lot on the healing and whatever. It all depends on the person. So I can take like 4 months, and some people takes a year to heal. So just make sure you're taking care of your piercing, cleaning, disinfecting, or whatever. Not sleeping on it, not touching. You don't like. In the beginning, I was so afraid because the lady that got mine told me, don't touch it. You don't need to be moving it around. And I was afraid. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not moving it around. So that means that like my piercing and my skin are going to stick together because I'm not moving it around. You don't need to do that. I didn't do it, and my piercing is totally fine. And I haven't had any type of infection or anything. So yeah, just make sure you're cleaning it and taking care of it. Make sure your hands are clean, and everything is gonna go, and everything's gonna be okay. So yeah, so this is my advice. And if you do guys have any questions, leave down below. And yeah, get it done. I mean, it's just a form of expression. Don't be afraid to express yourself. If you want to get a piercing done, go get it done. I mean, it's your body. Just make a wise decision. I mean, you shouldn't be having regrets. I mean, you only live once, so get it done. Just yeah. I mean, if you did enjoy this video, guys, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do have any comments, leave down in the comment section below. So thank you, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.